So here I am on my P323. I've spent the last day or so putting on this spinnaker pole track. I got this car for like super good deal. It was like half off or something. So I'm like, give me that. It was like 300 bucks, usually like 500-600 bucks. And I had to get the track, got the stops. These are Schaefer stops because everyone was out of the stops for this. Most of the time it's a traveler track, and so the stops are actually integral, like the 4x1 double pulley system. I've installed these cam cleats and cheek blocks so that I can raise and lower to the appropriate height the spinnaker pole when I'm usually just going to pull out the Genoa, but I do have a spinnaker which I could use at times if I'm not cruising. And I had to get it to fit the mast. They have adapters, but they're like hollow. I wasn't sure I wanted to do that, even though there's not gonna be a lot of load on these. So I bought the risers, and I just used my grinder and some sandpaper on the mast, and then up and down until like that, until it fit pretty good. It was snug and flush. So now those are on, and yeah, the car works. Obviously, that's not how it would go normally. And the other systems have a 2-to-1 purchase where you put a block here and an eye strap here so that you have a little more leverage. But I mean, honestly, I don't think I need it. Like, it's really just to be able to stow the pole up on the mast. Oh, look at the pelicans. Cool. Anyway, so I'm gonna stow that pole up on the mast and get it off the deck. Or the stanchions where it was, just like clamped up there. Got a little more room on the side decks now. Oh, also I found a cool shitty windlass cover, which is an old wheel cover or like a radar cover or something. I don't know what it was, but anyway, it's gonna work for now. All right, so I came up here with my ladder because I don't have a bosun's chair and I didn't have anyone to haul me. But I got the holes marked. As you can see, is that too close? Anyway, and so I'm not even up. Another 6 feet to the spreaders or something. And I tied the ladder off with the spinnaker halyard and a ratchet strap and a bungee at the bottom to hold it. And so it's working. I'm gonna come down now because I marked the holes. Gotta make sure they're close. So I have a bungee running over the bottom to hold it in place, and a ratchet strap holding it from falling backwards. And the spinnaker halyard holding it up so it doesn't fall over. And it seems to be working. Another good idea is to, if you need to keep using a tool, tie it off to another halyard. So that you can let it go. It worked. A little bit of a process. Going slow, obviously, to not fuck up the mast and all my holes. And now I'm gonna have to deal with those rings. I'll have to muffle them somehow because we were next door to a boat yesterday. It was just like going crazy on the mast. It was super annoying. Hello, little bird. Anyway, off the deck. It was over here. It was in the way all the time. Now it's up. It's easy to deploy. Oh my gosh, how cool. I've been wanting to do that for a long time. And initially I was going to go way up with the track and be able to bring it down, but then someone was like, just do it at the bottom and moor it at the top. And like, yeah, that's easier actually. So that's what I'm going to do. Anyhow, the end. All right, I just tap gelled the ring. I had to reuse that ring. It was really hard to find one. It's got a little crack in it, but I mean, it's never really going to be under much load, so I think I'll be fine. If I'm underway, I'll probably just tie the pole off also, like just to make sure that it's not banging around. But that's it, you know. I'm only, I don't know, halfway up this ladder, 10 feet up or something. It's not that bad. Here's all clear light. Pretty calm today. Good day to do this.